Hello, welcome to Yoga with Rach. Rach, thank you very much for joining me today. I'm here to tell you about something that I'm very excited about releasing this year, which is my Yoga for Beginners online course. So I've been teaching a Yoga for Beginners course here in my studio for the last 4 years, and it's something I've really enjoyed teaching, but I wanted to add more to it. And about 2 years ago, I put together the basics to be able to offer something online. And it's taken me a while to sort of finally tweak it and listen to feedback that I've been getting from people that attended the classes or the course here to see what I really wanted to be able to offer to you, and then finding a platform that I feel that works. So my online course is aimed at beginners, but if you've been practicing yoga for a while and you want a little bit more of an interactive way of learning a pose, then you might have a look at this course. If you're completely new, then it's a nice way to be guided into or starting a yoga practice with myself. So I've based it on the 6-week course that I used to teach here, and it has actually been extended over 10 modules now. And the beauty with this type of platform is that depending on the feedback I get from yourselves, I can also add more things into the course. And because it's online, it means you get it forever. So you're always going to have access to it, whether you log in on your phone. You can either go through the internet on your phone, or there is a downloadable app, or you can log onto your computer and have access to the modules there. It's not a drip content, so you have everything straight away. So I have put a calendar, or an idea of a calendar together to give you an idea of how to go through the course, so you don't sort of consume it all in one go, or you can gently pace yourself with the course content. And it's broken down into modules for introductions, that calendar, so your accountability calendar, if you will, and the basic intro to props. In the main module that we start with, we have our foundation poses. We then start to have a look through different poses in how they're categorized, so standing poses, back bends, forward folds, hip openers, even twists. We also have breathing techniques, and we have a little module to go through sun salutation A and B. All of the modules for every single pose is guided with a video by myself, so you can physically watch the video, but it also has a downloadable or printable worksheet to go along with it, so you have a little bit more information, and then you're shown how to move through or into the pose. And then at the end of each module, you have a little quiz, so you can just test your knowledge on how you've learned so far. And the quiz you can take over and over and over again as much as you like, till you feel that you're happy with the results of the quiz. At the end of it, you also get a nice little completion certificate to say that you've done the course, but it's there for you forever, so you can keep going back to poses that you may find more challenging and keep going through those in your practice to help you build up a home practice, or to help to build up your confidence to come into a studio class or go away on a workshop or even a retreat. So I've kind of nicknamed it like a pose directory, or a way to ignite or find that confidence in building or starting up your yoga practice. So if you would like to find out more, there is a link in the video description below for the wait list. If you sign up to the wait list, you'll be the first to know when enrollment opens, and you will get a 30% discount off of the course price. So go and have a look at the waitlist if you wish to join. Just click on the link below. All I need is your name and your email address, and I email everyone once a week, just giving you a little preview to the course content, so you can have a look through some of what you'll be getting when you enroll for the full course. If you have got any questions about the course, do put them in the comments below. If it's something that you're interested in, do give this video a little thumbs up, or if there's someone that you know that would like to start a yoga practice, especially now we're going into the new year for 2019, and you feel that this is something that they might benefit from, do share this video with them. Thank you very much for joining me, and we will be back next week with our usual video of a yoga practice being guided by myself. So I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and welcome to 2019. I look forward to getting on the mat with you in your practice for the new year. Thank you very much, and namaste.